We need to talk about your workbench setup. It's best that you have a dedicated table to do your watch repair. If possible, don't use a dining table or a desk that's shared by other people. As far as table height, the standard watchmaker's bench height is about 38 to 39 inches or 96.5 to 99 centimeters. Your table height can vary plus or minus a couple of inches or centimeters depending on your torso height. The table height should be set to your elbows out almost horizontal from your shoulders. You want your face to be close to your work and close to the table's surface. Standard chair height should be 17 to 18 inches, which is the same as 43 to 46 centimeters. An adjustable chair is the best to fine-tune your desired height. You can use a standard table that has not been height adjusted by sitting on a low stool. This may not be comfortable for some, especially for extended periods, and more difficult to get up and down from the stool. If you use a folding table with tubular legs, you can increase the height by adding PVC pipe like this, sections to the four legs, and raise the table. Cut the desired length of tubing to achieve the height that you want, and then the tubular legs of the table will fit right inside, and then you'll have your height adjusted on all four legs. Regarding your types of lighting that you'll need to do your watch repair, you should either use fluorescent tube lighting or 2-bulb lamps. The reason for this is to have your work lit from more than one angle, which makes it easier to see very small objects and minimize shadows. The fluorescent light tube emits light over the length of the tube, which gives you a broader light source. So you have your work here, you have a light source coming from here and here, which come at different angles to better light your work. This is the same principle when using 2-bulb lamps on either side of your work area. Screws and other watch parts will roll off and bounce off a smooth surface of a table like this one. Working on a cloth will help keep the parts from rolling off the table or bouncing off. Use a fine woven cloth like a bed sheet or pillowcase, not terry cloth. Small screws and other small parts will get lost in the thick pile of the terry cloth. If possible, install some wood trim around the outside edges of your table to stop parts from leaving the table surface, just right outside of your bench, the table size, not inside the table. Use a worker's apron so that parts, when they fall, they'll catch into your lap and not on the floor. Frequently a part will slip off the table, your hand, or the tweezers that are holding a part, and land on your lap. Many find that the most stressful part about watch repair is when parts land on the floor or roll across the floor. The fear is that the part will never be found and it'll spoil your entire project. Parts can be easily lost forever in shag carpeting and also in cracks in wood floors. Parts can sometimes be found by using a magnetic parts pickup tool. Various different companies make and sell these pickup tools. They vary in look but all perform the same basic function. It's like moving a broom across the floor. It does not always work, but sometimes it's the best or only solution that you have. The point is, it's very important to guard against parts leaving from the table.